So guys, we are just a few months away from the launch of iPhone 12 series. Going by the leaks, the iPhone 12 is expected to be launched in September or October this year. And as we are getting closer to the launch date, quite a few rumors and leaks have started to surface. As per the rumors, the iPhone 12 will come in 4 model variants, namely iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Some renders have been created giving a closer look as what to expect from the upcoming iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 will feature an improved design with a metal frame that is similar to the frame in iPhone 4. Unlike the previous iPhones with rounded stainless steel frame, the iPhone 12 will have a flat stainless steel frame. The notch has also undergone some changes and is slightly smaller, although the difference will not be fully noticeable in smaller iPhones like the 5.4-inch iPhone 12. But the result will be clearly noticeable in iPhone 12 Pro Max that has a much larger display at 6.7 inch. Speaking of display, the iPhone 12 will have the smallest display in the 12 series with 5.4 inch display, while both iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 12 Pro will have 6.1 inch display, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be the Apple's biggest iPhone with 6.7 inch display. Also, according to rumors, among the upcoming iPhone 12 series, 2 high-end models will feature triple lens cameras, while the rest 2 lower-end models will feature dual lens cameras and will be available at an affordable price. All of the upcoming iPhone Series 12 devices will feature an OLED display, and the higher-end iPhone Pro model will also feature an 120Hz ProMotion display, which dynamically adjusts the display according to the content of the screen and provides smoother motion and better responsiveness. Some screenshots and a video is also leaked by Jon Prosser, which shows the high refresh rate and adaptive refresh rate option. A screenshot also suggests that higher-end iPhone will feature 3D triple lens rear camera system that uses a laser to calculate depth information for objects in the room, improving both photography and AR capabilities. This feature is similar to the LiDAR feature present in the 2020 iPad Pro. The iPhone 12 series devices will be the first iPhones to get 5G support. Rumors also suggest that TSMC will manufacture the 5nm chip for the 2020 iPhone lineup. The A14 chip will be 30% faster than the A13 chip in terms of power consumption and 15% increase in overall performance. The A14 chip will be more battery efficient due to improved thermal management. The A14 chip will be more focused on improving artificial intelligence and AR tasks. iPhone 12 Pro models will feature 6GB RAM, while the base iPhone 12 model will have 4GB RAM. As for the pricing, the iPhone 12 is rumored to be priced at $649, the iPhone 12 Max at $749, and the iPhone 12 Pro at $999. And at last, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be priced at $999. These are just rumors and leaks, and no official price has been confirmed yet. Stay tuned for more leaks and info for the iPhone 12 series. Until then, this is Harshit from Droidate signing off.